Information about fescue grass. Introduced to the United States in the early 1800s, fescue grass is now found throughout much of the country and into parts of Canada. It produces a deep root system and dense clumps that make it ideal for yards, pastures and athletic fields in just about every climate. Once established, it is durable, drought-resistant and easy to care for. Whichever type is planted, it will provide a lawn with nearly year-round color. Growth habit. Fescue grasses are primarily cool-season growers, meaning they do best in areas with cold winters and warm or hot summers. Some fescue grasses will also thrive along the transition region where neither warm nor cool-season grasses do uniformly well. These areas tend to combine elements of cool and warm weather, making it somewhat difficult to establish some grass types. Its extensive root system means fescue does well during drought conditions and makes it a good choice for shady areas. Fescue Blends. To extend its growth habit in certain areas, fescue grass can be purchased in a seed blend. These are usually two types of grass seed that excel in one area or another. These attributes will complement each other, making an ideal growing blend for certain areas, particularly those that are in the transition region. Typically these combinations will include one type of fescue combined with Kentucky bluegrass or ryegrass. While fescue is a cool weather grower, the other breed is a warm weather variety, meaning it will withstand hotter temperatures, but turn brown in winter. These blends can also be ideal for growing in limited light or other areas where one type may not be ideal. Uses. There are several dozen varieties of fescue grass, some that are used solely as turf grass, while others are used in animal feed and to aid growth in areas where conditions are less than ideal. There is tall Fescue festuca arundinacea, which is commonly used in athletic fields, lawns and parks. Its thick clumping and ability to withstand heavy foot traffic make it well suited for this purpose. Sheep Fescue festuca ovina is a shorter variety that features smaller clumps than the tall fescue. It features fine leaves and will not invade flower beds or other greenery. It is used in areas where shade is persistent. Western Fescue festuca occidentalis is one of the most diverse varieties available, used commonly in mid-elevation areas in open forest, rocky slopes and other difficult terrain. It has a fairly short lifespan, but will withstand drought and little sunlight. Benefits. Besides being hardy growers and resistant to heavy traffic, fescue grass has a number of other benefits. Its quick growth and rough texture have made it a common choice for controlling soil erosion in much of the United States. This hardiness and strong growth make it a good choice for areas where soil is less than ideal. Most types of fescue grass will grow well in dense or sandy soils, as well as in spots where little water or sunlight are available. On its own, fescue may not survive extreme periods of hot, dry weather, but blends can produce a healthy, year-round grass patch.